So today I'm going to be showing you how to save money by changing your own carburetor so you can get your mower started again. Now your carburetor jet gets clogged if you leave gas in your tank for too long. And you can either disassemble your carburetor and clean the jet, which has a tiny hole, or replace it if that doesn't work. Now I've cleaned it before and I got it to start, but wasn't completely satisfied on how the engine revved up and down. So this time I'm replacing it. So here's a way to save money. So the first thing you want to do here is take your air filter out and then take the screws on top of your mower. This will uncover your engine, so it'll be easier for you to get the carburetor out. What you're going to want to do now is take the screws, which are 5/16 size, and you just want to take off both of the screws that are holding the cover, and this will let you see your carburetor. Now you're going to want to take off the small screw that locks the small handle that controls your carburetor to open up and close. The socket that you're going to need here is a 3/8 socket to remove the screws that are holding the carburetor mounted to the engine. Now you can disattach the small little spring and just put it to the side real quick. Now you are going to need something where you could drain the gas of your tank if you still haven't taken the gas out. There's a small clamp that's holding that hose, attached to the carburetor. So move that clamp and you'll be able, to get all the gas out. And here's a carburetor that needs to be replaced. Now I got this new one here that I'm going to be installing. And here's the O-ring and the gasket. Now as you can see, there are the same carburetor, which you will like to make sure before you order yours. I'm removing a small O-ring that seals the carburetor from the back part, and I'm going to be installing the new one. Now the old O-ring looked fine, but since I have this new one on the package, I might as well put the new one. And you're going to want to attach that pin back to the carburetor. If we take a closer look here, you can see how that pin went in. Now here's the gas fuel line that is going to go back into the carburetor. And don't forget that clamp that you gotta put back. This secures that hose to the carburetor. Put back the small spring. And now you can put back your screws on the new carburetor. Now you are going to be using the same screws that you took off the old carburetor. So don't throw away any screws. adjust the carburetor handle. And here's the gasket that goes between your carburetor and your air filter case. Now don't forget to connect your hose right there to your air filter case. .5/16 is the socket that you'll be using to mount those screws back into that air filter case. And once you have it tightened, now you can put back your new air filter. If your air filter is still in good condition, just go ahead and use the same one. But if it's bad, if it's dirty, then just go ahead and just install the new one. Now this kit does come with the air filter. Now all you have to do is just tighten up that screw, and I use a flathead, or you could use a socket if you wish. Put back the top screws for that top cover, and all I need now is some gas. Now let's start it up. Now this was my first time changing a carburetor, so as you can see, it's not that hard to do, so I mean, if I can do it, then you could probably do it too. If you guys want to save some money, you guys can do it, just buy the kit on Amazon, and then like just do it yourself. Like, it's way cheaper. You can follow my video. Hey guys, so here I'm going to show you the lawnmower turning on. As I was telling you before, I couldn't do it last time because of the rain, but it's been pretty sunny today, so I'm going to show you that it's working. So here it is. And always wear some protective gear. I encourage you guys to do it on your own, but if you don't want to do it, then yeah, take it to a shop. And if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button, push that like, share this video, and comment below, and I'll get back at you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. All right, guys.